Om Namah Shivaya. Here was an extremely exclusive, exciting collection of Gauri conch from Indian Ocean. Unbelievable collection. See, it is like Shivalingam. It's a Shivalingam conch. Totally unique and single piece in the world. Shivalingam Gauri conch. See, it's a Varaga Avda Gauri conch. Look at the shape of pig head Varaga Avda Gauri conch. Unbelievable collection. Here you can see in the shape of fish. You can see fish mouth, eye, body and tail. Fish more Machavada Gauri conch. Unbelievable collection. Machavada Gauri conch. All single piece, exclusive collections. And it's a heart conch. You can see the clear heart. Left ventricle, right ventricle, pacemaker. Perfect in the shape of heart. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. See, totally is unbelievable collection of Gauri conch. Exclusive and exciting collection. Just single piece in the world, never again like this collection in the world. This is collected from 1 crore collection piece. Collected these 4 pieces. Extremely amazing. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya.